Moorhead traffic, 35672 is departing runway 2, Moorhead traffic. Whew, just lifted.
Good job, man. Good job. I would encourage you to maybe not touch down quite as fast, bleed off a little bit more speed, but
okay.
Man, that was a good landing. You did extremely well. Let's climb straight out to 2,000 feet, please.
Okay.
You must have a hell of an instructor is all I think. Are you getting to kind of understand that feel that you get whenever you're in the flare?
Yeah.
You can look at the end of the runway and kind of see how much you're dropping.
Yeah.
And what you have to do to compensate for that.
Yep.
And it is a feel, isn't it?
Yes. Now, like right now, I don't know if it really is, but it feels like we're kind of crabbing just a little bit. Is that?
Maybe just a touch because the wind is coming from this direction.
Okay. It was weird because I've never felt it want to take off like that before.
Cold air.
Yeah. I mean, we almost, our pitch attitude was almost level, and we were just.
Yep. Yep. If you would, go ahead and turn toward those two smokestacks out there whenever you get her leveled up. And just maintain 2,000, looking good. Don't let it go over 21. Okay, that is your reference point, those two smokestacks up there side by side.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and make a steep turn to the left, please.
All right. Now, do you have to add power?
No, not with this one.
Okay. All right, you ready?
Yep. Don't let the nose fall on you. Hear the change in the pitch of the engine?
Yep.
Yeah, that means we were climbing. Let's do that one more time, please. This time, really
Crank it over?
No. I mean, really be aware of your altitude. Like right now, we're climbing pretty abruptly, aren't we? Go ahead and get it back into level flight. All right, let's do it.
Ready?
Yep, you're at 2,100 feet. That's where we're going to stay.
All right.
Good. Now. Okay, let's go to the right.
All right. 2100.
Now we're starting to climb. There you go. And that's actually your target there.
Oh, yeah.
Miles.
Okay, let's do that again.
Right hand.
Yeah, line up, get everything settled down, and then let's go to the right. Now, whenever you roll into the right-hand turn, as you bring in bank, you're going to bring in a little bit of back pressure,
Okay.
more back pressure until you're at your desired
Bank.
Yeah.
Okay.
See how it's not changing, but whenever you do this, bring it in a little at a time, but do it immediately.
Yes.
You see what I mean? Did you feel us go through our own wake?
Yep. All right. So we're sitting right at 2000.
Yep. Yeah, try not to let it fall on you.
Clark County Regional.
Push forward at the
Silver 1 Whiskey. Inbound for landing, 7 miles out, approaching the river from the east.
Now,
Clark County.
whenever I did that, and whenever I was 180 degrees out, did you see what happened whenever I kept pulling back
No. We're near 180 degrees
of turn?
of turn.
Yeah. The nose started falling, and then I started pulling back more.
Yeah.
And we went down even further.
Right.
So, what do you do if that happens to you?
Would you add power in, or?
You roll out of the bank a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back and do some takeoff landings now. Are you okay with these now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right base for runway 318. I didn't know Clark County had right pattern.
20 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 3024.
Okay, left track. We'll cross midfield for left downwind for runway 36.
Automated weather observation 1306 Zulu. Wind 070 at 5 knots.
That's the same.
Almost a direct crosswind for us right now.
Yes. The runway is 20 degrees, which means it's 50 degrees off of the runway heading to the right.
Now, should I make like an inbound call or?
Just call them up. We're about 7 miles to the north.
Moorhead traffic 35672 is approximately 7 miles to the north inbound for runway 2, Moorhead traffic.
Perfect. Now, you have the airport in sight, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go ahead and get down to pattern altitude before we get down there. That's exactly right. A reduction of 2 to 300 RPM will get you 500 feet per minute.
Crazy how much little reduction you need.
And all you're doing is changing the airflow over the tail.
Right.
The airflow now does not have the same effect of pushing the tail down. So it allows
To keep you level.
That's right. So now the tail rises a little bit, putting the nose down. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay. So it all has to do with the way the air is flowing over the tail.
Runway 7.
I don't see anybody around, do you?
I don't either. You're doing the right thing. You got to look around. The two places you're going to see airplanes a lot is obviously at an airport, but the other is at a navigation aid like a VOR.
Yeah.
You're 1 Whiskey. Left base. Alright, copy that. Are you guys staying in local traffic now, or are you done for the day?
We doing full stop or touch and go?
Touch and goes.
Okay, copy that. We'll just extend our downwind here, and then we'll finish up 25.
Moorhead traffic 35672 is entering a left downwind at a 45 for runway 2, Moorhead traffic. Did it say how fast that wind was coming at?
Right.
5 knots.
5, okay. Car feet's out.
No, we appreciate it. Have a good day.
I was out to 1500.
For Echo turning base, runway 25.
1, 2, 3. Pitch for right there. Take a turn.
Now we were just a little bit wide on
Yeah.
that one. But that's good. You're compensating.
Moorhead traffic 35672 is turning base for runway 2, Moorhead traffic. Power altitude is a little high, so put some power in.
Yeah, you mean we're a little bit low.
Yeah, a little low. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you got to put power in. And put enough to do the job. Put it up there about 1900 RPM. Not so much that we climb, but we just maintain until we get to where we want to be.
Right.
Start your turn now. Slow turn. And you can pull the power off.
All the way, or?
All the way.
Moorhead traffic 35672 is turning final runway 2. Moorhead traffic.
Flaps. There you go. There you
2,
go.
3, 4. You want to go full in?
Yep. Good. Maintain at least 70. There you go. See how the wind's moving you?
Yep.
All right, I got the flaps.
Carb heat's in.
I'm going to help you with that just a little bit.